In this video, I'll show you how you can create some amazingly looking and engaging animated Instagram stories like this. Coming up. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to AnkitSharma.tv, where we talk about everything related to WordPress, social media marketing and search engine optimization. So if you are new here, consider subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. Alright, so if you are using any of the social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook or maybe anything else, there is only one parameter to grow, and that is creating engaging content. Now, this engaging content could be stories or could be a regular post, but what it requires is to create engaging posts. And if we talk about Instagram and Facebook, then surely hands down stories are the best way to grow your audience on Facebook and Instagram. And if you want to take your stories to the next level, then the best way is to create some animated and video stories. So today I'm going to show you a tool which will help you create these engaging animated Instagram and Facebook stories that you can use for maybe your organic growth. And you can also use the same animated stories for creating story ad, which is very cost effective if in case you are in Instagram paid marketing. So let me show you how you can create these amazing animated Instagram stories. So the tool I'm going to show you today is called Invideo, and their website is invideo.io. I'll leave a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that. And once you are on the website, you see various categories for creating various video animations. And below that, you see different categories you can choose for Facebook stories, YouTube videos, Facebook feed and Instagram posts. And right now we will go ahead and click on Instagram stories to see all the templates related to Instagram stories. So if you scroll down, you can see that they have a latest edition of International Cat Day stories. So they have really cool looking animations here where you can put up your images in the background, and you can also add the text here. If you scroll down, you have a story which is very beautifully designed. I'm sure if you have an e-commerce website, you can use these kind of stories to showcase your products. And here is one more example, which is for someone like me who creates some online tutorials. I really love this design. I am surely gonna save this for future reference to create some Instagram stories for myself. Now there are a lot of options you can check and see which one fits for your brand, and you can go ahead and edit that. But if in any way, if you do not like these designs, you can go ahead and create one for yourself from the scratch. So let me show you what I have designed for my Instagram stories. So one is here, which is just an image and a simple text. So this is just a custom design I did for myself. And here is one more example. So this is a very simple design. I just wanted to concentrate on the text here. So I just use the basic elements. So you have all the options in it. So you can just go ahead and customize it as per your requirement. So for this tutorial, let's go ahead and use one of these templates and let's see how we can create some amazingly looking animated Instagram stories. So for this one, let's go ahead and start with this template. I'll select this one. As you can see that you have three options here. Right now it is selected for verticals because we will be creating stories template. You can also use it for widescreen videos. Maybe you want to create a full-fledged Facebook video from it. And as you can see, it's looking amazing right now in the landscape mode as well. And of course, you can also choose to use a square template, which you can use for your Instagram post, and square posts also work on Twitter and Facebook as well. So right now we just go ahead and select the vertical format and we will click on use this template. So here is your complete editing area. At the bottom you have a regular timeline, and on the left you have various elements like music. You can add music to the background. If you want to add a new text, you can just go ahead and use the text widget, and you can add the heading, subheading and the body text. And you also have pre-made text here. So if you want to add a social media call out button, you can just use this one and edit the text here. And they have some animated stickers which you can use on your animated Instagram stories. Like they have recently added the stickers for International Cat Day. And you also have a feature of effects, so you can just put up a overlay effect on your animated story. If you have ever used platforms like PicMonkey and Canva, you will find it really comfortable. It's like the Canva for videos. So for example, if I need to change the background color here, so let me just remove myself from this screen so that you can see the complete work area. So right now, let's go ahead and start editing with the logo. If you do not want to show any logo, just select this layer and click this trash icon. It will be gone. So for me, I would like to add an image here. So I'll go to my uploaded image section. So maybe if I add this one, so I'll just drag and drop on that. And as you can see, it's already added here. It's pretty small, but just to give you an example how it works. And instead of this image, let's go ahead and replace it with this one. So right now it's asking me to create a new layer above the selected image, or if you want to replace it completely. So we'll go with replace. So now we have our new image here. Let's go ahead and change the text a bit. So to edit this text, you can just go ahead and start typing on the here itself, or you can just go to this text area on the right hand side panel and enter your desired text. Once you are done, click on save. And you can also go ahead and change the font style, the line height, bold, italics, the normal stuff that we use to edit any text. You can also go ahead and change the color. So if we go ahead and select the text color here, maybe we can choose as white. And right now you see that there are few lock icon here. So it means that we cannot edit them. So if we click on this lock icon, you can see that the layer is selected. Now you can do anything with this layer. But right now I'll keep the lock on so that I do not disturb this layer. But I want to change the background color, so I'll just go to the background layer, unlock this layer. So with that layer selected, I'll go to edit, and now I can go ahead and change the color from here. So as you can see that you can choose any of your desired color from here. So not the final one, just to give you an example how it will work. And if you want, you can also go ahead and add your branded presets. You can select the colors and the stuff that you want to add here. But I need to work on different styles, so I'll keep it as it is. So after you do the editing on the first slide or the first scene, you can just go ahead and click on second screen or the second slide to start editing that. So once again, you just go ahead and, if you want, you can just go ahead and add some images and whatever you want to do on that. So once again, I'll click on replace. And once again, same stuff. You can edit your text and different stuff here. Now, if you want to duplicate any of these scenes or any of these slides, you can just click on this icon and duplicate this. So it will create a new copy of the same design. Or if you want to add a new scene, you can just go ahead and click on add new scene from here. Or you can go ahead and click on add new scene from here. Now let's go ahead and see a preview of this one. It will show the preview of the slide or the section which we have selected. It will not show the complete story. And let me show you the best part of it, that is animation. Once you select any of these elements, you can go ahead and select the animation tab. You have an option to define how the in and out of this animation. So in defines how the text or the element will land on the scene. So you can select the whole word or the character or by line. So I'll select the whole word and how the animation will look. We have options here. So I want it to fade from left and the duration will be 1 second. And for example, if I want to animate this text, I go back to animation, and this one in should be from from right. And let's go ahead and check a preview. So as you can see, the text on the top coming from left and the text below that is coming from the right. So this is how you can add animations to all the elements on your scene. And once again, let's go back to our music section. And not just for your Facebook or Instagram stories, if you are creating a YouTube video using this tool or maybe a Facebook video using this tool, you have access of all these features, including this music section. So you now have a full library of music to use on your videos. So once you are done with the editing, you can just go ahead and click on export. It will start the rendering process in the backend. So right now it's doing the rendering work and it will hardly take 2 to 5 minutes depending on the number of slides and the kind of work it needs to done in the backend. And for me, it never went beyond 5 minutes with all the heavy stuff I have done. And once it is done, you will get a full HD file for this video, and you can also directly share to different platforms. And you also have a preview link, which if you, in case you are creating this video for your client, you can just show them the preview how it looks. And let me tell you this from my own personal experience that I have used other tools which do the same job, and I have never seen a platform like Invideo which is rendering videos so fast. Before using Invideo, I was using a platform where the rendering process was taking around 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Seriously, this is the best part of this platform, that rendering is so fast. Alright, once the rendering process is done, you will see your preview here, and you can just go ahead and download the file from here and just upload it on your Instagram. And once again, I have to say that the rendering process is excellent. I have used various other platforms like this where you can create various animated stories and animated videos. But when it comes to rendering, they take around 20 to 30 minutes to render a simple image and text on that. And sometimes 30 to 40 minutes to just render a single image and a simple text on it. But these guys are doing some great job, and if you are looking for a platform where you can create some animated videos for your different social media platforms, maybe for your YouTube videos as well, you can go ahead and give it a try. I'll leave a link in the description below and you can go ahead and check it yourself, and you will also find a discount coupon there. So go give it a try and I'm sure you will love it. So this is how you can create some animated stories for your Instagram and various other platforms. And that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.